Hey everyone! In this quick video, I'll show you how to fix the error. This app can't run on your PC in Windows 11. First, go to the search bar and type System Information. Here, check your system type. If it says 64-bit, that means 32-bit programs might not work properly. So make sure the software you're trying to run matches your system. Next, find the program that shows the error. Right-click it, select Properties, and go to the Compatibility tab. Check Run this program in compatibility mode and set it to Windows 8. This usually fixes the issue, but if it doesn't, try a lower Windows version from that same list. Finally, open your browser, search for Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable. I've left the link in the description. Download and install it. Once that's done, your app should start working normally. And that's it. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Windows fixes.